guys, welcome back or welcome if you're new here for today's fall front porch decorate with me. Today's going to be filled with ideas for fall front porch decorating. Specifically, if you have a small porch like I do, we do plan to extend this in the future, but this is just the way the builder did it. But there's a ton of room for a bigger porch. But anyways, if you're not new here or you joined a couple of videos ago, then you know that we've been decorating for fall for quite some time now. This is actually the fourth part. So we got inside looking all cozy, and now it's time to add a little festive touch to my front porch to kind of get people ready for what they're gonna see inside, right? So that is what you saw at the beginning. So if you want to watch those will be linked down below. But I'm just getting the porch all cleaned up so we can go ahead and power wash before we start decorating. But before we do any of that, I do want to thank Mixed Towels for sponsoring today's video. Mixed Towels are basically the easiest way to decorate an empty wall, and I'm not even kidding, it's super easy. They take photos right off your phone, as you can see here, and they turn them into 8x8 tiles that you can stick straight onto your wall. Super easy and super affordable. They're only $11 per tile. But they do have a discount code that they gave me for you guys. So either scan the barcode on the screen or use code Josie10 to get 10 free mixed towels after you buy 10. So a super great price for 20 mixed towels. Showing you guys here, super easy. You just peel off the adhesive strip and stick it straight onto the wall. Literally the easiest process ever. And you can just go ahead and take them out. They leave no damage to your wall, unlike the other frames that I had on here. They left a bunch of holes on my wall, so I knew I wanted to change these for fall to get fall pictures. So when they reached out, I was so excited because I was like, okay, now I can hang new pictures here. Perfect place for a photo wall, and I don't have to mess up my walls. As you guys can see, I'm not the best picture hanger, so this is perfect because I'm adjusting multiple times or removing them, sticking them back onto the wall. The adhesive didn't, you know, get less sticky or anything like that, and it didn't damage my walls, so it was perfect for me. I even adjusted it a little more after this because, as you can see, it's not fully straight, but I would definitely recommend this if you're looking to decorate an empty wall in your space. So I'll go ahead and leave all the information down in my description. Thank you to Mixed Towels for sponsoring this video. Now we're gonna get into decorating my front porch here, you guys, and I'm just using my power wash. I was having a little trouble at first. My husband usually does this, but I needed to do it for the video, so I went ahead and just power washed the front porch before I added any new decor. What was really bothering me is that the previous outdoor rug, I had a buffalo check outdoor rug that I threw out, and I bought another one against my better judgment, but it left a stain there that I could not get out. I tried to spray some power wash because, you know, Dawn power wash takes off everything, but apparently not these stains, and I thought that the power washing would get it off, but it didn't. So it's okay because I always put outdoor rugs, so it'll actually always cover that stain, but I do want to try to get it out just because. So if you guys have any tips on how to take off these ink stains that rugs leave, definitely let me know down below. But I'll catch up with you guys when we start decorating.
It's for the best, and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we...
So this video is going to be very short, sweet, and a nice pop of fall for you guys. But I wanted to make a statement on my front porch, but it's very small, so it was very limited on what I could do. So I was in Hobby Lobby, and after looking at some Pinterest photos, I got some inspiration, and I ended up going to Hobby Lobby when everything was 75% off spring, which was perfect because for some reason they associate wooden things and, you know, things that you can actually use all year round with spring. So I got this little stool. It's like a little plant stand. I saw this idea on Pinterest that had like a little basket with some florals in. So literally everything I got here was on sale. The basket was part of the spring. The stool was part of spring. I bought the moss, and then the florals were fall, and then that hello fall sign was fall as well. So I got that for 40% off. I will say it's windy in fall here in New York, so I was trying to glue things down, but I ended up hot gluing it after the video because this Loctite that I had didn't work, and I had people coming over, so I didn't really have time to like get my hot glue gun out and all that stuff. I was just trying to get the video done. But definitely, if it's windy in your area for fall, I would suggest hot gluing everything if you're doing something like this. I even like hot glued the hay all together and the pumpkins that I put on the hay, which you'll see later on. But this wreath that I got, it's beautiful. It's actually from Joann's, and can you believe it's my first time ever shopping in Joann's? I always hear people talking about Joann's in YouTube videos, and I just never thought New York had one. And it turns out that it's like a craft store like Michael's. I had no idea. I went in there, I fell in love with their stuff. I got this wreath, and then this buffalo check rug, again against my better judgment, I got from Hobby Lobby. It was part of their fall collection. And I don't know, I love buffalo check rugs because they go with any season. I use them in Christmas, fall, you name it. I'll be using this rug. And then I got this beautiful pumpkin rug again from Joann's. I just love their stuff. I was always shopping at Home Goods and Hobby Lobby and Target, you know, the normal places, but I just never heard of Joann's. I figured it was like a Kirkland's. If you don't know, they don't have Kirkland's in New York, so you can only order online. So I thought it was just one of those, but love the store. So then I added this little arrangement there. I was trying to see if I should put it in the front, but I ended up moving it back to just the side of it. And then it was time to stack some hay, which was messy. I don't know if this is what you call. No, you call it a straw bale. Looks like hay to me, whatever. I got four of them. I got them from Hobby Lobby. They were super cheap. They were $5.99 and then 40% off. So I'm guessing a little over $3. And I just got four of them and I stacked them up. I also got a pumpkin from Hobby Lobby and some leaves, and I'm gonna try to make a little arrangement there. And I just think what I did here was super cute for a small front porch. So again, you can use this for any porch, but of course you can add more stuff like chairs and stuff, which I hope, God willing, will be in our future once we extend this. You can't really see it, but to the left of this, we have like a flower bed there, but we have one on both sides of the house. So I think that eventually in the future I would want to extend the porch to the left. It's like a huge flower bed there, and I would rather have an extended porch so I can have chairs and we can sit outside like our neighbors do and stuff like that. So definitely in our future, but for again, for a small front porch, I think this is such a cute way and such a statement for when people come up to your house. It looks so fall like and so cute, so I'm definitely happy with the way it turned out.
Lying awake, 'cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright.
So now I'm just sticking some leaves that I got from Hobby Lobby, and spoiler alert, which you guys will see in the end shot soon, I didn't leave them there. I don't know why, looking back at this clip, it actually doesn't look bad, but when I saw it like up close, it just looked like I just had too much orange going on, so I was like, let me just make this a little more neutral, and I just took them out. But I don't know, it doesn't look bad now that I'm looking at it. Let me know what you guys think once you see the end look here in a couple of seconds. But anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. I know it was super short and super sweet. This is the last space we had to decorate in the house. And I hope you guys enjoyed everything. I hope that I'm able to record a fall house tour for you guys soon so you can see everything all together. But definitely, if you enjoyed this, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of exciting videos coming up. As you guys know, makeovers are still not done. We just moved in, and I also have a pantry makeover coming soon. We're doing a huge pantry makeover. We're turning a closet in our kitchen into a pantry. So a lot of exciting things coming, God willing. So make sure you stick around for that. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one, God willing, as always.